Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can add Google business profile on your Google account. For example, when you open Chrome and when you search for any restaurants or shops or visiting places or anything, Google will show you some results with the Google Maps, means with the address, with the phone numbers, with the shop opening times, means that particular business opening times, closing times, such like you may have observed that. So how all they are appearing on the Google, because they have already created their Google business profile. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create your own business profile on Google. So yeah, on Google, on Chrome, I just opened Google Chrome on my mobile itself and I browsed to google.com, and at right top corner I clicked on my, and right top corner you will see this Google profile picture image. You need to tap on that. I'm assuming that you're already signed in with your Gmail account. If you didn't sign in, there will be option like sign in here. You need to tap on that and click on manage your Google account. Once you click on manage your account, just scroll from left to right and click on people and sharing from the menu option and scroll to the bottom, and at the bottom you'll see is like business features. Under business features you'll see something like add your business and products to Google. Yeah, so here you need to start building your profile, means your business profile. Business name, for example, if it is a bakery shop, just for the example sake, bakery something name, bakery name of your bakery, okay. And category, yeah, you can give the bakery equipment or something like that. If you open if you click on this drop down and if you type something, you'll get some, see here, bakery and cake shop suggestions, or you can type of your own voice and click on next. And you need to just fill up your details accordingly. Do you want to add a location? Yes, I want. If you don't want, you can click on no. You can give your country name, your actually the business address, whatever your business address may be, accordingly you can give uh, that address, so that it will show up on your Google Maps. Means when someone searches like near me bakery shops, if your location is near to the person who searched there, your business will show up on the Google search results. There is a possibility. So landmark, something like that, landmark beside, something like that. I'm just giving a rough examples, okay. Yeah, click on next. Once you give the your primary address, click on next. And yeah, none of these, and where you're located. And now here you can give the exact location by click on adjust, and you can keep your exact address with the using Google Maps and click on next. And this is the best feature because Google will show up what the address you gave on the search results. So be careful and give your address exact location. Do you provide deliveries or home visits? If you yes, then click on yes. If it is no, then click on no. Yeah, and you can give your phone number and website. If you give these both details, this will display on the search results. So as of now I'm just skipping this, but if you want you can give by creating a Google business account profile. So in this section, verify section, you can upload a video of your shop or business or anything, and you can apply for verification. If it is okay, Google will verify this. And business hour, Sunday it will be closed, or yeah, Monday it's open, Tuesday it's open, and whatever the days it is or your business is working, you can keep that and click on next. And if you're given this, you need to enter your timing, starting time and ending time. And right now, as the tutorial is getting a bit longer period of time. I'm just skipping this, and accept messages, yes, done. And you can give your short description, and right now I'm just skipping this also. And now you can upload your pictures from your phone gallery. Okay, you can keep your business or shop or restaurant photos here. I'm skipping this step also. And this is for the advertisement. I'm skipping this also. Yeah, your edits will be visible once you are verified. As I said, if you upload a video or photos of your choice, Google will verify. Once it is verified, and your Google business will be appearing on the search results. If it is something near to your place or something, if the user searches near according to your name or something like the business name or something like that. So I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See, this is what how it looks on the search results. Okay, I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.